In the video today, I want to show you how to add music to your Samsung Galaxy Watch FE. What you're going to do is open the Galaxy Wearable app. And you want to go to the watch settings. From here, you're going to swipe up, go to Manage Content, and you're going to tap While Using App. And you want to go to Tracks on Watch. And so far, these are the only 2 tracks that are there. If you hit the plus in the upper right corner, you can add more music, and it'll look for all the music that is currently stored on your phone and allow you to add it that way. So I could hit the all. Obviously, you want to be careful with this because you might have thousands of songs on your phone, and so there's not enough room for all of that. But I only have like 14 songs on this phone, so I can hit all, and it's going to grab all these songs here. And then I can easily add those right to the watch. Now we are getting a pop-up here that's saying I couldn't add the tracks. So let's jump over to the watch. And we basically need to swipe to the right. And we have to give the watch permission for us to add the tracks. So we're going to tap here and just swipe up, go to View Permissions. And then we have to allow it to do so. There we go. Now, we can try it again just by hitting retry. And here it'll show us now it's adding the tracks. All right, guys, so all of our music is now loaded onto the watch. And to see the music, you're going to swipe up and you'll go to the little music app right here. It's a music note. We're going to tap allow. And here's our song. And if we swipe up, we can get to our library, and then we can go through, see that we'll go to tracks, and then we can drag around the edge here or swipe up and down to see all the songs. So that's how you load your music. Now, let's go over how to pair Bluetooth headphones so that you can listen to the music right from your watch to your headphones. So I have a pair of AirPod Pros here, and these are ready to go. I'm going to swipe down from the top on the watch, go to Settings, go to Connections, go to Bluetooth. Make sure your Bluetooth is turned on, which it is. And now we'll tap on the scan button. And on the AirPods Pro, there's a little button on the back. Just hold that button down for 1 second. And you're going to see the light start to flash. It's in pairing mode. And now our AirPods have shown up on the screen. Tap, and it says, do you want to pair? We're going to hit the check. Perfect. So now we are paired. And this is how you confirm. It'll say paired devices. Now, you can basically swipe up, go back to your music, and begin to play them right through your earphones. And that's it. Hope that was helpful, guys. If it was, bump that like button down below. I also have a bunch of other videos on this watch, so check out this playlist right here for more. Thanks again for watching. Take care, and as always, have a good one.